Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on this channel, you're welcome. I am A.H.P and I'm an author and I also do business. Now today's video is basically me unboxing my cake stand, and also I'm going to be having a little bit of a chat about the reason behind the cake stand. Okay, so here is what the cake stand looks like. Okay, I like the fact that you can fit quite a number of cakes on there. Okay, and it's 2-tier. So this is perfect for what I actually need. Let me bring this a bit lower. Okay, so I got this from Wilko, for those of you who are in the UK. And they have this regularly, more so especially in summertime and also December time. So I got this I got this last week. So this is how it comes packaged, like that. Okay, so it's very secure. And then okay, so the big plate is for the bottom, and then the top part is the small plate. Okay, but it's got a hole in the middle of both. That's where this comes in, is the rod. Okay, so let me see if it comes with instruction. Yes, it comes with instruction. Okay, so you have to wash it before your first use. Hand wash only. Make sure all fittings are secure before use. Cake stem, wipe clean. Only ensure thoroughly dry before storing. Tools required. Phillips head screwdriver not included. So I've got my screwdriver anyway. Okay, so these are all like the little parts to put it together. Okay, now I'm not going to be putting it together today because I don't need it yet. Okay, but definitely I'll be using this for birthdays, for like my son and daughter's birthdays, my birthday, and also for get-together, parties that have desserts included and stuff like that, entertainment purpose. But not only that, I'll also be using it for my book cakes, like presentation and that. So that's the reason why I bought this. So I've got a book called Sweet Treats. Okay. Let me see. So yeah, so with this cake stand, you can make cupcakes like these. Okay, so these are fairy cupcakes. I've shown this in my unboxing home item before, the one where I was unboxing my cooker. So cupcakes like this with all the instructions are there. So that is the reason why I got the stand. Okay, so sweet treats like that, and of course making cheesecakes. So I've got some cheesecake ingredients as well. Okay, I've got the custard sugar on the side there to mix with the cream, and the biscuits for it. I normally use this to make the base, and of course the toppings. I got quite a few, like cooking chocolate. So I'm going to be making some chocolate ones, milk chocolate. See how that goes. Okay. And I also got basically I stocked up for my pantry. Okay, like my cake, my baking, I stocked up for it. So these seedless raisins, and this is pitted prunes, and then glazed cherries. So this, basically these three are for making fruit cake, or should I say black cake, the Jamaican black cake, which is normally eaten around Christmas time. Okay, or for wedding. Okay, so that's the one I had for my wedding cake. Okay, because my ex-husband was Jamaican, or is Jamaican, should I say. And then because I've got another book called Festive Inspired Recipes, I bought quite a few chocolates that I'll be using as toppings for the cheesecakes. Okay, so I got Quality Street, basically on the cheesecake you'll have each and every single one of those toppings. Okay, and then I also got Celebrations, which again will have all those what's it called, chocolates per cheesecake. And then I got some irresistibly smooth milk, so milk chocolate truffles with smooth melting filling. So these chocolate truffles, the Lindor, I've got that also to top the what's it called, cheesecakes. I think I'll just put one per cheesecake because there's 3 in there, I believe, 3 if not 4. And then I've got Irresistibly Smooth Assorted. Okay, so assorted chocolate truffles with smooth melting filling. So it's got like one of each of the flavors of Lindor chocolate. It's got the red, which is this one, and then it's got the gold, which is this one, and then it's got the black and silver, which I didn't get because I didn't see it, but if I do see it, I'll probably pick up one, but it's not necessary because I'll just use the display to the box for the display, so they know exactly which one to get. Okay, and that's basically it. So let me know in the comment section what your favorite sweet treat is. Like, what do you like to eat? I personally like cheesecake, and I also like muffins. I like fairy cakes, not too much fairy cake though, but I do like them. I can eat them. And then I also like the fruitcake. Okay, now the fruitcake has rum in it. Okay, but because the alcohol is cooked out anyway, so it's not gonna like make you get drunk or anything, but you will taste the flavor. You will taste the flavor. So so yeah, I like them. And that is it. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much to my new subscribers for having subscribed, and for those of you who watch my videos and have not yet subscribed, thank you so much for watching. You know, if you find this beneficial, it's free to subscribe to this channel. It just means that I can bring you content in various ways, and the goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. At the moment we're at 45 at the moment, so we've got quite a way to go to get to 1,000 and beyond. Okay, now once we hit 1,000, the goal obviously will change, but for now the goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, so far so good. That is basically it. I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.